Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus. Okay, I am doing third chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. So this is the second exercise. We will continue with this. First question is on comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of equations intersect at a point. So this is intersecting lines. Then parallel lines. And the third one is coincident line. So for this we will compare the ratios. So for a parallel, for intersecting lines, when two lines intersect, the condition for that is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. This is the condition for intersecting lines. So we will get intersecting lines with this condition A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Then next one is parallel lines. So for parallel lines the condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition for parallel lines. And for coincident line A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So this is the condition for coincident line. So we will check these three equations and find out what type of lines we are getting. So first one is, in this one, this is A1, this is B1, this is C1. So A1 is equal to 5, B1 is equal to minus 4, C1 is equal to 8. So first we need to check the general form. So this is of the form AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0 only. So we will write A1, B1 and C1. Then next one is A2. A2 is equal to 7, B2 is equal to 6 and C2 is equal to minus 9. Okay, now when we are comparing the ratios, we are getting 5 by 7 for A1 by A2. For A1 by A2, we are getting 5 by 7. Then B1 by B2, we are getting 4 minus 4 by 6. When we simplify this, we will be getting minus 2 by 3. Then next one is C1 by C2. So when we are comparing this ratio, we will get minus 8 by 9. So when we compare this, all are not equal. That is, when you take this first two, 5 by 7 not equal to minus 2 by 3. So if we check the first itself, we are getting A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. That is, A is 5 and 7. A1 is 5, A2 is 7, B1 is minus 2, B2 is 3. So this itself not equal. So that the given lines, the given pair of lines are intersect at a point. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. So the given pairs of lines are intersecting lines. Okay. Now we will check the second one. So the second one is, when we take this A1 is equal to 9, B1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to 12. Then A2 is equal to 18, B2 is equal to 6, C2 is equal to 24. So when we compare this, A1 by A2 is equal to 9 by 18, that is equal to 1 by 2. If we simplify this, we are getting A1 by A2 as 1 by 2. Then B1 by B2 is equal to 3 by 6, that is also is equal to 1 by 2. Then C1 by C2 is equal to 12 by 24. So C1 by C2 is equal to 1 by 2. So all the three are equal. A1 by A2, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. That is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So if all are equal, they will form coincident line. Okay. The given lines, the given pair of lines form, the given pair of lines form coincident lines. Coincident lines. The given pairs form coincident lines. Okay. Then third one, same way it has to be done. A1 by A2 is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 1. Okay, then B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 1, that is also equal to 3 by 1. Then C1 by C2 is equal to 10 by 9. So that is, so A1 by A2 is 3 by 1. B1 by B2 is also equal to 3 by 1. And C1 by C2 is equal to 10 by 9. So this one we are getting this condition, that is 3 by 1 is equal to 3 by 1 is not equal to 10 by 9. So that is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So this forms parallel lines. So the given pair of lines form parallel lines. This is how it has to be done. Okay. Now we will do the third sum. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So for this condition, consistent and inconsistent, already we are having three lines. What are the three lines? Parallel lines. First one is parallel lines. For this parallel lines, the condition is A1 by A2 is equal to A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. This is parallel line condition. Then intersecting line condition is, condition for intersecting line is, they will have unique solution, only one solution they will have. For that it is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So this is intersecting lines. Then the next one is coincident line. Coincident lines. So for this one the condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition for these three pairs of lines. So here we are asking us to check whether they are consistent or inconsistent. So all the parallel lines we will say that as inconsistent. Parallel lines are inconsistent. Intersecting lines and coincident line. Intersecting lines and coincident lines form consistent pair. These two intersecting lines and coincident lines form consistent pair. We are asked to check that only. So if we are getting that these two conditions, they are consistent, and if you are getting this one, that is parallel line condition, that is inconsistent. Okay. So now we will do this sum. So for this one, we know this A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. So here we will rewrite this equation. 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. We will check the condition now. A1 by A2. So A1 is 3, A2 is 2. Then B1 by B2. So B1 is 2, B2 is minus 3. And C1 by C2. So C1 is minus 5 and C2 is minus 7. So we will get this as C1 by C2 as 5 by 7, B1 by B2 as minus 2 by 3 and A1 by A2 as 3 by 2. So if we check the first two ratios, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So what is the thing we will get? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 means they are intersecting lines. They are intersecting lines. They will get only one solution. That is unique solution they will get. They are intersecting lines. So unique solution they will get. So unique solution. So they are consistent. They are consistent. Like this you have to write. So this is the first one. Then second one is the same way. So we will rewrite this as 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 2. Then B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6. When we simplify this, we will get 1 by 2. Okay. Then C1 by C2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 9. When we simplify this, we will remove this negative sign. We will get it as 8 by 9. So that means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So what is the thing we will get? We will get parallel lines. Therefore, the given pair of lines are parallel lines. So they are inconsistent. So this is how it has to be done. Okay. Now third one is the same one. A1 is equal to 3 by 2. A2 is equal to 9. B1 is equal to 5 by 3. B2 is equal to minus 10. C1 is equal to minus 7. C2 is equal to minus 14. So now first one we will find A1 by A2. So A1 is 3 by 2 divided by 9. So here we will get 3 by 2 into 1 by 9. So this 9 by 1 will become 1 by 9. So when we simplify this, we will get 1 by 6. So this is our A1 by A2. Then same way B1 by B2 is equal to 5 by 3 by minus 10. So this one will be 5 by 3 into minus 1 by 10. So 5 and 2 will get cancelled. We will get 1 minus 1 by 6. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 1 by 6. So C1 by C2 will be minus 7 by minus 14. So when we simplify this, we will get C1 by C2 as 1 by 2. So here we will get A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So that one is A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 is they are intersecting lines and it is consistent. So they are consistent. Okay. Then next sum is A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by minus 10, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by 6, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then C1 by C2 is equal to 11 by minus 22, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So all A1 by A2, B1 by B2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 are equal. All are equal here. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So since all are equal, they form consistent. They are consistent. They form consistent pair. So they are consistent. Then the last one is A1 by A2 is equal to 4 by 3 by 2, that is equal to 4 by 6, that is equal to 2 by 3. So this is our A1 by A2. Then B1 by B2 is equal to 2 by 3. So B1 by B2 is 2 by 3. A1 by A2 is also 2 by 3. And C1 by C2 is equal to minus 8 by minus 12. When we simplify this, we will get 2 by 3. So this is also equal to 2 by 3. C1 by C2 also equal to 2 by 3. So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. All are equal. So they are consistent. So they are consistent. So with this, they are consistent. So I have completed this third subdivision. So with this I am completing today's class. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.